Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your disability benefits approved as quickly as possible by focusing on the most important steps. So first, stay consistent with your medical treatment. Make sure your conditions are diagnosed and clearly written on your medical records. Your record should also explain how your condition limits your daily activities and your ability to work. So next, explain your situation in a simple way. Don't just list your medical conditions, talk about what they prevent you from doing, like sitting, standing, sleeping, or completing normal tasks. After that, keep the same details consistent throughout your application, forms, medical records, and any exams that you might attend. This helps make your claim easier to understand and avoids any confusion. It can also help to use a step by step guide or a trusted resource so that you stay organized and avoid common mistakes. And lastly, be honest with yourself about whether you can handle the paperwork and deadlines. And if it feels overwhelming, getting help from a trusted advocate or representative may help you stay on track. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.